What was your trading like before you joined my mentorship?
My trading was okay. Like it wasn't disastrous, but I knew I was missing things that kept me from proceeding in a confident manner. So like I would have some trades that would work out, but I was just not confident in managing, and it would put my psychological mindset
Yeah.
at it was not always consistent. So now I feel like I have a better grasp on the context of the whole trade. I know what I'm looking for. I'm much more focused when I'm trying to get in, and I feel like I have a better understanding of when to just sit out. And my discipline has improved a lot. And of course, I'm um, more profitable too.
There are lots of other mentors and other programs out there. What made you choose to work with me?
I've actually done some other mentorships,
Okay.
and where I learned something from everyone. Um, but I still wasn't confident in live trading. And I also really I wasn't able to deal with risk in a way where I felt like I could just proceed with the trade without fear. But another thing that really helped was I did if I missed a trade, I really didn't have a toolbox with how to get in or finesse another entry.
Yeah.
So now I'm gaining skills in um, building a position in a variety of ways and then exiting and scaling out. So I'm really happy with that because I really never knew how to do that before.
Since joining the mentorship, what's your biggest shifts you've seen in your trading?
Well, I think I'm a lot more calm and I know what I'm looking for. And it's just one thing. And if it doesn't play out the way I want, I'm fine to just let it go without fear. And I've been working on this for years, and I mean, this mentorship in such a short amount of time has really filled in all these areas that I just have been struggling with for years, and feeling like I wasn't making any ground. So discipline has just been really difficult for me. But the way the strategy works, the way I'm learning to analyze trades. It just somehow the discipline just is coming in, and it's not like trying to um, bang my head against the wall, like fighting it at every moment. It just kind of sort of evolves
Yeah.
with the process.
So if someone is on the fence about joining my mentorship, what would you say to the person?
Oh, I would say absolutely. I mean, this mentorship can help anyone. I think no matter what point they're at in their trading. So I'm probably a more intermediate trader. I've been trading for years now, and it's helped me immensely. But the way the program is structured, starting at the basics and moving up, I think would work. It would be great to be a new trader and not learn wrong, ways of thinking and having to retrain yourself. So I think it would work and benefit anyone who wanted to improve their trading regardless of what their experience level was.